Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ulf Pape from Berlin and I have been teaching creative techniques and applications to medical massage and physiotherapists, physicians and osteopaths for more than 20 years. On this channel you can find a variety of free of charge tutorials in different languages. If you like my channel, please subscribe. This particular tutorial is about the snake technique. Here you can see the starting position of this technique. Your outer arm winds through the client arms up to their armpit. Your other arm grips the client's shoulder. You use your body movement to bring your client's shoulder blade into the elevation and depression in a rounded movement. This allows you to apply various massage, fascia and acupressure techniques in the flow of movement. Now use your therapeutic creativity to integrate various maneuvers into this application. I hope this short tutorial has inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for your attention.